Dear friends, I am Ajit Koladi. Today I am going to talk about some qualities regarding the leadership and some of the traits which, as human beings, which we are following in daily life. Basically, the majority of the people are conditioned by certain set of thoughts or some habits. It is the conditioning of the mind which makes the behavior or the response or the reactions of a human being. Whatever we think or whatever we do or whatever we speak, it's all coming from the mind, the conditioning of mind. So we have the capacity to change the thoughts, we have the capacity to change our action or even the words which we speak. There are two types by which human can live, either by responding or by reacting. So never be conditioned. When you face a difficulty or when you face any circumstances in your life, whether it is a joyful circumstances or a very disappointed aspect, it is up to you to make yourself and to respond to that situation in a very positive way. You are not born to fail. You are always born to succeed. Success is your birthright. Never be part of the fear. Never embrace the fear at all. When a problem is being faced by us, never fear that. Deviate from the daily habits every day and make it more creative. Morning to evening, you may be doing different things or maybe doing the same things every day. But it is our duty to make sure that we do, although we are doing the same work every day, we are doing it more qualitatively that work when each day passes. It is the solemn duty of a man or a woman to evolve himself or herself to a better person as each day passes on. When you conquer yourself, when you innovate yourself, when you discover yourself, you can always conquer your own Everest. There is no limits. You can go climb up the ladder of success. It is infinite. It is actually when turbulent times makes more successful person or it will great leaders. The more the difficulties, we should be able to make ourselves more courageous, more bold, and more optimistic. Never get disappointed. You should not be influenced by the surroundings. You should not be influenced by the society or even the family. You should not think what my predecessors did when a certain situation arose and let me also face it. No, that's not the way. Thoughts have very, very, very infinite dimensions. So whenever you face any kind of situation, never get conditioned to it. Never program your brain in a particular way. Example is when you are using a laptop, the laptop will work according to the program which you have installed in it. Similarly, the brain works only according to the programs you have inserted in it. So it is up to you to change the program, that means the thinking pattern. Every day you have to change your thoughts into a more qualitative, more dynamic, more optimistic way. Never get depressed. Although as an ordinary human being, we may have different moods. We may have different kinds of situations in our life. But always remember, we have immense potential to overcome every kind of hazards which we face. Look at great personalities of the world. Albert Einstein invested his own life throughout the life, and he discovered so many theories which changed the world. Thomas Edison made his life into a very colorful thing in which he discovered many theories and made a new thinking pattern to the world. Gandhi and Nelson Mandela gave a new culture to the world. Mother Teresa taught the world how to be empathetic. Tagore and Milton redefined poetry. Shakespeare contributed very beautiful words which revolutionized the minds of the people. Even now his classics are relevant. Each sentences from Shakespearean text are relevant in the human life even now. So all this shows how human beings can conquer greater heights through thoughts and the imaginations and immense potential which we have in ourselves. So don't limit yourself. Don't be a timid soul. Don't be small in thinking. Be very big in thinking. We are born to be victors, not to be victims. Always we must be victors. Our greatest gift which we can give to ourselves is using our own potential to the greatest extent. We are the gift to ourselves. If we are not utilizing ourselves to the most creative way, then what is the meaning of life? Purpose of life must be life of purpose. So always be purposeful. Always have an aim. And when you reach that goal, go beyond it again. It is endless. Michelangelo once told, the greatest danger in human life is not having very big goals and losing it. But the greatest danger is having small aims and catching it. So always think of big thing. Even if you lose that big thing, at least you will be satisfied to know that you have tried several times. The biggest cause of failure is that you never tries. So always try. And that is how leaders are made. Leaders never condition their mind. Leaders never stick to one own habit. Leaders always revolutionize themselves. Leaders always innovate themselves. Leaders always discover themselves through their experience, through their knowledge, through their thoughts, action and words. That is how they have changed the world. In the world, everything changes. There is nothing without change. Even if there is only something without change, that is change. These are the famous words of Karl Marx. Everything changes. And ironically, it is very contradictory to see that although humans speak of change, majority are not willing to change. So only when you are ready to change, your life becomes creative. If you stick to only one place, you will never go up. Always change, always innovate, always go beyond your limits. There are so many stories and so many examples in the world where humanity, through sheer perseverance and through determination, have conquered different heights in their life. Actual leaders do that. They overcome all the obstacles in front of them and become the great personalities which can be, which are an exemplary model to the humanity. And life is for that, to be the best and to be the best, and you can be the best.